What Grows Here is a multi-generational gardening program that was created for our small community. We are located on Wabamon Lake with a microclimate full of unique life and vibrancy. Two issues that were addressed are lack of digital literacy for seniors, and another is improving general look outside and inside of the library. So educational and environmental goals were targeted.
We organized 11 gardening sessions.
What Grows Here gardening program at Seba Beach Public Library was very successful because people from our small unique community were able not only participate in the program but also enjoy many interesting gardening sessions, improve their digital literacy skills and meet other people. The success of this program is measured by the number of registered patrons, 18, and number of participants, 75, number of gardening sessions, 11, and number of circulations of the books from display, 52. And conducted survey indicate that 100% of participants are happy with this new gardening program that continue now as a gardening club.